My name is Ezekiel Onyinko. My project title is Increasing Independent Deodorant Application Using a Token Economy and Task Analysis for a 12-year-old female with autism. On introduction part, independent hygiene routines are essential for personal dignity, self-confidence, and health. For individuals with autism, deodorant application can be challenging due to its multi-step sequence and motor coordination demands. Without intervention, dependency on caregiver prompts or parents may persist into adolescence and adulthood. The research question is, will implementing a token economy that provides tokens for each independently completed step for a task analysis for deodorant application increase independency for a 12-year-old female diagnosed with autism? The method used here is an APAP reversal design, which was used to evaluate the effects of token economy. The independent variable was a token economy, providing one token for each deodorant application step completed independently. The dependent variable was percentage of task analysis steps completed independently. The task analysis included step 1, remove of deodorant cap, step 2, raise arm, step 3, position deodorant concurrently, step 4, apply deodorant under arm, and step 5, replace the cap. Data was corrected daily using a positive for independent and negative for prompted responses, and the percentage independency was calculated. The data sheet was also noted on phases of A1, P1, A2, B2. On the baseline, the first baseline participant was introduced or was instructed to apply the deodorant with no tokens and additional reinforcement provided. It was asked to apply your deodorant, and from there, no tokens were provided. On the intervention, that's phase P or phase 2, one token was delivered immediately for each independently completed step. Tokens were exchanged for preferred item after all steps were completed. Now, the results are during the baseline, the participant completed only 20 to 40% of steps independently. With the token economy, independence increased 80 to 100%. Upon withdrawal of the intervention, the independence level decreased towards the baseline. When the intervention was reintroduced, independence returned to high levels of 100%. On the summary, the data showed clearly functional relationship between the intervention and improved dependency, and the APA style graph illustrates this pattern with marked increase of independence during the intervention phases and decrease during the return to baseline phases. As we can see on our graph here, we have the baseline, the intervention, the baseline, the intervention, and we can see clearly that there is a clear relationship between the intervention and improved independency. On the discussion here, we can see that the research suggested that using task analysis recording for a morning hygiene routine increased independency in targeted steps, particularly deodorant application. When we are to make these steps smaller, observable steps, where we could pinpoint where we can have prompts and we can feed them systematically. And we can see that the participant progress was clear and independency was gained over time. On references, we can check Cooper Che or Aaron T.E. Eward W.E. 2020 on Applied Behavior Analysis, 3rd edition, Pearson. Yeah, thank you.